Today we will learn how to write the letter to the editor. To write the letter to the editor, there is a strict format and we have to follow the format. First of all, we will write the sender's address, and the sender's address should be written in 3 lines. In first line, we will write house number or street or block. Second line, we will write locality or sector. In third line, we will write name of the city and state. After writing sender's letter, we'll leave one line. Then we will write receiver's address. In letter to the editor, the receiver is the editor. This address also should be written in 3 lines. First of all, we will write to the editor. Second line, we will write the name of the leading newspaper, for example, Hindustan Times or Times of India. In third line, we will write the name of the city. If it is a national Delhi, we will write down New Delhi. If it is a local Delhi, then we will write the name of the city which we have written in sender's address. After that, again we will leave one line. Then we will write down the date. For writing date, we should follow the British format. That is 1st March 2017. We will not write ST or TH in date. After writing date, we'll again leave one line and then we will write down the subject. And subject, we will write down topic. It should be as brief as possible. Then in next line, we will write down salutation. For example, sir or ma'am. Then we will start writing the letter, and the whole body of letter should be divided in 3 or 4 paragraphs. In the first paragraph, we will introduce topic, and the topic should be introduced in a proper beginning. For example, through the column of your esteemed newspaper, I would like to draw the people's attention towards a very serious issue. Then we can write down the topic. In second paragraph, we will write down the causes or the problems associated with the topic. Let's say the topic of parking problem or rush of vehicles on the road. Then we can write down the problems associated with rush of vehicles on road. Then in third paragraph, we will write down the suggestions or the measures which should be taken by the concerned authorities, government, as well as the common people. Then in last paragraph, we will conclude the letter by appealing to the readers that they should do their responsibilities and they should be aware and concerned enough about the problem, about eradicating the problem. Here we have to remember, we will not ask the editor to take up the measures because he is supposed to print your letter only. After ending the letter, we will close it with a request to the editor that he should give proper and sufficient space to your letter. Then we will write thank you. After that, we will write subscription and we will end the letter with yours faithfully. Usually we write faithfully when we do not know the name of the person whom we are writing the letter. If we are addressing with sir or ma'am, not with any specific name, we should write yours faithfully. Then we will write the name of the writer. Usually the name is given with the question. If it is not given, we should write A, B, C. Then we will write down the designation if it is given with the question. Otherwise, we will write down a concerned citizen. We should also focus on some key points which we should remember. First of all, the language should be formal and we should use polite language. Like we should not use bad words or we should not show aggression. Then we should also not use direct communication words or language. For example, I or you. We should follow instead we, they, or the people. We should also follow the word limit which is given with the question. And for the students of classes 9th and 10th, there is always a proper marking scheme for letter to the editor, which is divided in 3 points: format, content, and expression. If the letter is worth 5 marks, 1 mark is for the format, 2 marks for content, and 2 marks for expression. That's all. Thank you.